How to fix Snapchat friend request problem. Welcome back everyone to this new tutorial video. In this video, let me show you the few steps that you'll need to take in order to solve the Snapchat friend request problem. The first thing that you can do is try to clear the app cache of Snapchat. So just tap and hold the app and then head over to this eye icon. Once you're inside of this settings page, make sure you tap on the storage option and then tap on clear cache. Once you complete this step, try to see if this fixes the issue. If it still does not, the second thing that you can do is try to look for new updates available. So head over to the Play Store and search for Snapchat, and if you do indeed see new updates, make sure you update the application. Now once you complete this step and you're still having this issue, what might also have happened is you've reached the friend limit of around 400 to 500 friends inside of Snapchat, or what also may have happened is you have sent too many requests too frequently. If that is the case, you'll need to wait out 28 to 48 hours in order for you to send more friend requests. Lastly, what you can try out is try to uninstall the app of Snapchat from your device and then again re-download it, as well as try to restart your phone. By following these steps, I do hope you'll be able to fix this issue. If this guide video was helpful, be sure to let us know by giving it a thumbs up. That's gonna be all for today. I'm gonna see you in the next video.